Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to continue the 07 code for CA Foundation paper 3 of chapter ratio and proportion. Okay, so this all Gandhi ji yahan baithe हुए guys. Okay, so this all are like PYQ questions. I am like I have keep on saying that whatever the questions I am doing here guys, all are PYQs from 2018 to 2025. Okay, so if you are covering this much, so it's enough. You can easily score 85 marks, like 80 to 85 marks. Okay, fine. Okay, so from today onwards, like from tonight's, I'm going to continue that also, like CA Foundation paper 3 whole syllabus, that also I'm going to cover up. Okay, and the very important thing is, if you want to like find out this video, so you can come to my channel, go to the playlist. In the playlist you will go to 07 code of CA Foundation paper 3. You will get that all the videos according to the day. So today is the day 12. Haha. Okay, chalo bhai, chalo jaldi karenge. Okay guys, chalo bhaiya. In a certain business, A and B received profit in certain ratio. Okay, there is a business in which A and B, they in a certain business A and B received profit in a certain ratio. So we don't know the ratio. So what I am going to do, अरे भैया कहाँ हो गया, अरे ओ प्यारी, अरे गड़बड़ हो गया रे. So here this is the question number 1. So I don't know the which ratio, so I will take the A by B in a sum ratio. Okay, so what they said, in a certain business A and B received profit in a certain ratio, B and C received profit in the same ratio. Okay, in a certain business A and B received profit in a certain ratio, B and C received profit in the same ratio. So B and C received profit in the same ratio, they said. Oh re bhaiya, means ratio of A by B equals to ratio of B by C for the profit they have said. Okay, fine. Here they have said the same thing. In a certain business A and B receive profit in a certain ratio, B and C receive profit in the same ratio. A and by B equals B by C. If A gets 1600 and C gets 2500, then how much does B gets? Very simple. A is 1600, C is 2500. So A guys, A will get 1600, B we don't know, equals to B divided by C is what? C, I think so, 2500. C is 2500. We have to find the B. Direct guys, easy. We'll do the cross multiplication, we will get it. So B into B is B square. B square is equals to what? We can see 2500 into 1600. So we'll get okay. So guys, here 2500 into 1600, we will get 4. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So B is equals to this much. So B equals, what will happen? See, B square is this much, because B into B is B square. So B equals what is square root of this 3 3 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what I will do, I will do the square root. We will get the 2000. B is how much? B is 2000. So B is 2000. Yes. Okay, next is what? Next is chalo bhaiya, the ratio of two quantities is 15:17. Okay, so we have a ratio of two quantities, that is 15:17. Means we know how we are going to write. We are going to write 15x and 17x. Okay, but we will see what they had given. They had given the ratio of two quantities is 15:17 if the consequent of its inverse ratio is 15. Then the antecedent. Okay, the ratio of two quantities is 15:17. Now they said if the consequent of its inverse ratio means this 17, you can say x by 15x. Okay, so if the consequent of its inverse ratio, so 15:17, inverse is 17:15, so 17x by 15x. They said if the consequent of its inverse ratio is 15, the consequent is 15. Guys, we know this is antecedent, this is consequent. The consequent is what? 15x. The consequent is equals to 15. So from here we will get x is equals to 15 by 15, that is 1. They got the x value as 1. They said then the antecedent is 17x. The antecedent is 17x. So we got the x value as 1. So 17 1 the 17. The correct answer is 17. Okay. The salaries of A, B and C are in the ratio 2:3:5. So what I am going to do, we will take the salary of A is to B is to C is 2:3:5, means 2x, 3x, 5x. We know this, right? We are going to convert like this: 2x, 3x, 5x. If increment of 15%, 10% and 20% are allowed respectively to their salary, then what will be the new ratio of their salary? Very easy peasy, guys. This type of question is very easy peasy. Though this is what, this is the old salary. Old salary is 2x, 3x, 5x. Now we have to find the new salary. The new salary means what, guys? What is the new salary? How you will find the new salary? Old salary plus increment, right? Whatever you have the old salary plus increment value, then we will get the new salary. The old salary is 2x plus increment what? Increment of old salary, right? Old salary plus increment. How much increment? Sorry, increment of what? Increment of what? Increment of old salary. So they said increment of 15%, 10% and 20%. So here B the increment of 15%, here A the 15% increment, B the 10% increment, C is 20% increment. Okay. Okay. Now new salary means old salary plus increment of old salary, right? Old salary plus increment. Increment of what? Increment of old salary. So is to then old salary plus increment. Increment what? Increment is 10%. 10% of what increment? 10% of old salary. That only will find the increment, right? So old salary plus increment. Increment what? 20% of what? 20% of old salary. So 20% of 5x. 20% of 20% of 5x. Okay. So here we are going to get so guys, see here, this is very easy peasy. We will write like this. See, 15 to the 30x, this will be 30x. 10 3 the, this will be 30x. Okay. Then 20 into 5x, it will be 100x. Okay. So now how we will write here? 100 into 2x. 100 into 2x, it will become 100 into 2, 200. 200x plus 30x, it will become 230x by 100 plus 100 into 3x, 300x plus 30x, 330x by 100 plus this will become 100. 100 into 5, 500. 500 plus 100, 600x. 600x plus 100. Oh, sorry. So why I'm doing plus? It is, yeah, I know, guys. It is 2. So 100 will get cancelled. 0 will get cancelled. X will get cancelled. So we are going to get 23 is to 33 is to 60. Let's see the option. Yeah, 23 is to 33 is to 60. That is the answer. Okay. Continued ratio. Oh, fine. They had given A is to B equals 5 is to 3. Okay, A by B equals 5 by 3. Then, okay, this is A is to B is 5 is to 3. This is comma. Yeah. Okay, see here, guys, this is the thing is A is to B is 5 is to 3 comma, this is B is to C. Okay, this is B is to C. Okay, A is to B equals 5 is to 3, B is to C equals 6 is to 7. Okay, so I will write B is to C equals 6 by 7, and C is to D equals 14 is to 9. So here C is to D equals 14 is to 9. Okay, done. Okay, so now what we have to find? We have to find A is to B is to C is to D. So this is a continued ratio. A is to B is to C is to D. A, B, C we have to find. So see, for we know the continued ratio, how we are going to find. So for finding the A, what we will do? We'll multiply all the numerator. We'll multiply all the numerator. We'll get the A. Okay, we'll multiply all the numerator. The 5 into 6, 30 into 14, 420. बहुत गंदा number है guys. Very bad number, 420. Okay, now next for finding the B, what we will do? B starts from here, so it will go to B to C. This is A where A is in the denominator, so A to B, B to C, A to B, B to C. So we will multiply 5 into 6, 30, 30 into 14, 420. Okay, now for finding the B, what will happen? It will go from B to B, because B, C, D it will not go. It will go from B to B, then C. Okay, that's it. So 6 3 the 18, 18 into 14, 18 into 14, 252. Okay, now for finding C, what will happen? Start from B, B to C, then C to C. So 3 7 the 21, 21 into 14, 294, 294. Now then for finding D, what? D is in denominator, so B to C, C to D. So 3 7 the 21, 21 into 9, 189, 189. Okay, so option is in simplify. Okay, so 20 20 20 20. The starting is what? Starting is 20. 20 means what? We will see 420 divided by 20. So okay, all are getting divided by 21. All are getting divided by 21. So 420 divided by 21, it is 20. Okay, then B is what? We all will divided by 21. So 252 divided by 21 will get 12. Okay, then 294. So 294 divided by 21 will get 14, and then 189. 189 divided by 21 will get 9. So see how I get to know 21, because if you see the options 20 20 20 20, all are 20 20. So what we will do? 420 divided by 20 I did means 21. This means that it is divided by 21. Okay, so answer is 20 12 14 9. We have to just simplify it. 20 12 14 9, 20 12 14 9. Yeah, option D. Okay, now guys, very important question and very easy question. We have to see, we have to apply the two small trick. That's it, you will get the answer. Okay, they said a vessel contain a solution of acid and water. So what will happen? A vessel contained a solution of acid and water, so in which water was 64%. चलो भैया, चलो रे, अरे ओ प्यारे, जल्दी जल्दी करेगा. So water is what guys? Water is 64%. So if they are talking about 64%, means they are talking about percentage, means acid plus water, it will become 100, right? Because they are talking about percentage. Percentage means what will happen? Jaldi jaldi bolo re. Percent means what? Total is 100%. Total is 100%. So they said a vessel contained a solution of acid and water, in which water was 64%. Water was 64%. If water is 64%, then acid will be what? Acid is 100 minus 64. 36% is acid. Water is 64%. 36% is acid. Excuse me. Okay. 36% of acid means what we will do? 36 divided by 100 means 0.36. 0.36x I will take. Okay, 0.36x is the acid, and water I will write here 0.64x is the water. Okay, now they said 4 liters of the solution were taken out. Okay, 4 liter of solution were taken out of the vessel and the same quantity of water was added. Okay, so what they said, 4 liter of solution, 4 liter of solution were taken out from the vessel and same quantity of water was added. The same 4 quantity of only water is added. Okay, so 4 liter of solution is taken out but only 4 liter of water is added. So if the resulting solution contain 30% acid, if the resulting solution contained 30% of acid, so the quantity in liter of the solution in the beginning in the vessel. Okay, so guys, here what we have to find, we have to find the simple thing. I just said that resulting solution contain 30% of acid, means they are talking about acid. Finally what we are talking, they are talking about the acid. So resulting solution, whatever the resulting solution, it contains 30% of acid. So quantity in liter of the solution. The very simple thing I they said about the acid. So acid was like 30% they have taken. Okay, final resulting acid is how much? 30%. 30% means 0.30x. So guys, we will write here the final resulting acid is 0.30x. Final resulting acid is 0.30x. Okay, they didn't mention, means they are not talking about the water. They said the final resulting acid is 30%. Okay, we so see here, understand one thing. Here you can say final resulting acid is 30%, means the final resulting water will be 70%. No, in the final resulting we can't say like that. Okay, starting we can say a vessel contain a solution, solution means total 100% because they're talking about the percentage. The vessel contain a solution of acid and water in which water was 64%. The acid is 36% because they have a solution of acid and water, and they are given in a percentage, means total will be 100. So 64% is water, so remaining 100 minus 64, 36% will be acid. This we know at the starting, but the ending they said resulting solution contain 30% is acid. So we don't expect anything of the water. Okay, they just mentioned the if the resultant solution contain 30% of acid, so we will take the 30% of acid, means we will talk about the acid. So resultant solution is 0.30x acid. So guys, we have to just take the value of acid. Now see here how we are going to find the value of acid. Very important thing. Starting acid was 0.36x. Starting acid was 0.3x. 0.36x. Now they said 4 liter of solution were taken out of the vessel. So guys, how many liters? 4 liter of solution were taken out. 4 liter of solution were taken out. So 4 liter of solution were taken out means what will happen here? 4 liter of solution were taken out. The simple thing, 4 liter of solution is taken out. So from acid what will guys, like how much acid removed? How much acid removed? Okay, how much acid removed means from 36% we remove the 4 liter. Okay, so 4 liter of solution were taken out of the vessel, means out of 36% acid, 36% ka 4 liter, 36% of 4 liter, 36% of 4 liter they have taken out. Okay, so because they are talking about acid, so we will see only of the acid, we will not care about the water. Okay, because the resulting solution contain acid, so we will only focus of the acid, we will not see anything about the water. So they said 4 liter of solution were taken out of the vessel. That means acid 36% of 4, means from 36% of 36% of 4 liter they have taken out. 36% of 4, of means multiply, so 36 by 100 divided into 4, so 36 by 100 means 0.36 into 4, means out of see here, out of 4 liter what they have taken out. See, 4 liter of the solution were taken out. They said 4 liter of solution were taken out from the vessel, means 36 liter was acid. So 36 ka 4%, how much? 36 ka 4%, it's 1.44 liter. Means out of 4 liter 1.44 liter they have taken out acid, and remaining 2.56 liter they have taken out water. Okay, because 64% is the water, 36% is the acid. Now overall solution they have taken out is 4 liter. Overall solution they have taken out is 4 liter. So we have to find that 4 liter means 36%. In that 36%, 4 liter is how much, and in that 64%, 4 liter is how much. So we have to talk mostly about the acid, because final resulting solution contain 30% of acid. So we'll talk about the acid. So acid removed, how much acid removed? 36% of 4 liter. 36% of 4 liter. So 36% of 4 liter means 36 by 100, of means multiply 4. So 1.44 liter of acid is removed, and then remaining 2.56 liter of water is removed. So we don't care about the water, we will see about the acid. So what is happening? Total acid was 0.36 0.36x. Total acid was 0.36x, in which the acid they removed is 4 liter. They removed the 4 liter means 1.44 liter of acid is removed. Now they said, and the same quantity of water was added. The same quantity of water was added means 4 liter of water was added. So we don't care about the water, because water is added, the water quantity will increase, acid quantity will not increase. So that's why this line, at the same quantity of water was added, we don't care. Finally they said if the resulting solution contains 30% of acid, so we will focus only of the acid. So total acid was 0.36%. So of 36%, 4 liter of solution is removed, means 36% means 1.4 liter acid is removed. So from total acid 0.36x, in that minus 1.44 liter is removed. So final we will get is 0.30x. Okay, so what will happen here? The x will go towards x side, so this will come this side and this will go this side. So 0.36x, this is the plus, right? 0.36x, and this is the plus 0.30. So when it will go this side, it will become minus 0.30. We will get 0.06x. 0.06x equal this minus 1.44. It will go, it will become plus 1.44. So x is equals to 0.06 divided by 1.44. So when you will do this divided by 1.44, 1.44 na? Yeah, so we are going to get the value of x. We are going to get the value of x 0.0416. We'll get the value of x is 0.041. Wait, 1 point. Sorry. Yeah, sorry guys, sorry. I did a mistake. Mistake हो गया भाई. अरे ओ प्यारे, mistake हो गया रे. So guys, x we have to find means, yeah, 1.44 divided by 0.06. 1.44 divided by 0.06. अरे ओ भैया, 1.44 divided by 0.06. चलो रे भैया. 24. X is equals to 24. So answer is 24. Because they said if the resulting solution contains 30% of acid, the quantity in liter of the solution. So we have to find the quantity in liter. Obviously everything is liter, so it will be in liter only. The quantity we have to find of the solution. Quantity of solution in the beginning in the vessel. So quantity of solution means we know whatever we have to find, we will take it as a x. Whatever we have to find, we will take it as a x. So here the x value we are getting is 24. The answer is 24 liter. Okay, chalo bhaiya. Now they said income of R and S are in the ratio 7:9. Oh, so income of R is 7x and income of S is 9x. and their expenditure are in the ratio. Okay, expenditure of R is 4x and expenditure of S is 5x. Income of R and S are in the ratio 7:9 and their expenditure are in the ratio 4:5. Their total expenditure equals to income of R. So guys, see, total expenditure means what? Expenditure of R plus expenditure of S, total expenditure, right, is equal to income of R. What is the ratio of their saving? So we have to find the ratio of their saving. ठीक है भैया. So see, from here what we will get. Sorry यार. Sorry. Yeah. So guys, for income here, okay. For income I will take as a X. For expenditure we will take it as a Y. Okay. नहीं. I am writing ulta. Sorry. For R. Okay. For R I will take as a X. For S I will take as a Y. So income of R is 7x. Income of like S is 9y. Okay. Now expenditure of R is 4x and expenditure of S is 5y. Okay. नहीं एक ही लेना पड़ेगा. We'll take one only guys because here again 4x plus 5x is equal to, wait, 4x plus 5 is equal to 7x. So 3x 5y is equals to 3. If I will take like then ulta ho jayega, it will be wrong. Wait. 5y is equals to 7x. So y is equal to 7 minus 4, 3x by 5. नहीं उल्टा हो जाएगा उल्टा. Okay, now I'm taking the correct one. I was taking the correct one. सही ले रहे थे भैया, सही ले रहे थे. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So income I will take as a X. And expenditure I will take as a Y. Income I will take as a X and expenditure I will take as a Y. Okay, income I will take as a X and expenditure I will take as a Y. So income is X. So income of R is 7x. Income of S is 9x. Expenditure of R is 4y. Expenditure of X is 5y. Because income we will take as a X, expenditure will take as a Y. We can't take R S, means R as a X, S will be Y. No. ठीक है. Income of X I will take as a, income will be as a X. So income of R is 7x, income of S is 9x. Then expenditure I will take as a Y. So expenditure of R is 4y, expenditure of S is 5y. So they said expenditure, total expenditure. Total expenditure means expenditure of R plus expenditure of S. 4 plus 5. 9y equals income of R. Income of R is 7x. Okay, 9y equals 7x. So from here what we will get? From here we will get the y value. Y is equals to 7x by 9. Okay, we get the y value as 7x by 9. They asked for what is the ratio of their saving. The ratio of their saving. So guys, what's the formula of saving? Saving formula is what? Saving is from income. From income I will minus expenditure, right? So from income I will minus expenditure. From income I will minus the expenditure, so we'll get the saving. So they ask what is the ratio of their saving. The saving of R divided by saving of S. Saving of R divided by saving of S. So income kawale. What is the income guys? Income of R is 7x, income expenditure is 4y. So it will become 7x minus 4y. Then savings of S. Savings of S means this. Say it. Okay, income minus expenditure. Income is 9, expenditure is 5. So 9x minus 5y. 9x minus 5y. Now what we will do, we'll substitute the value of y here. So 7x minus 4 into y is what? Y is equals to 7x by 9, right? Y equals to 7x by 9. So I will substitute this here. In place of y, we'll substitute 7x by 9 whole divided by 9x minus 5 into y is what? 7x by 9. Okay. So see, when you will do this, it will become 7x minus, see, numerator will multiply with numerator. 7 for the 28x by 9 whole divided by 9x minus, numerator will multiply with numerator. 7 5 the 35x by 9. Okay, now we know how to do this. We'll multiply this, right? 7 9 the 63, 63x minus 28x divided by 9 whole divided by, this will multiply 9 9 the 81 x minus 35x whole divided by 9. 9 9 will get cancelled, so we are going to get 63 minus 28 will get 35x divided by 81 minus 35 will get 46x. X will get cancelled. After that, I don't think so it will get divide. So 35 is to 46. 35 is to 46 is the correct answer. So saving of R by saving of S is 35 is to 46. 35 is to 46. Okay, fine. Okay, now easy peasy thing, you have to focus here. Okay, they said a bag contains 105 coins. So total number of coin is how much? 105. Okay, total number of coins is 105. Okay, now they said containing some 50 paise and 25 paise coins. Only it consists of 50 paise and 25 paise coin. The ratio of number of these coin is 4:3. So 50 paise coin is how much? 50 paise coin is 4x, 25 paise coin is 3x. Okay, so total number of coin is 105. So we know that 50 paise coin is 4x plus 25 paise coin is 3x. The total number of coin is 105. 4 plus 3, 7x is equals to 105. So from here we will get the x value is 105 divided by 7. So we will get 15. X is equals to 15. So number of 50 paise coin. Okay, number of 50 paise coin. Number of 50 paise coin, it was 4x and x is 15. So it is 60. Number of 50 paise coin is 60, and then number of 25 paise coins is 3x. So x is 15. So 3 5 the 45. So see, number of 50 paise coin is 60 and number of 25 paise coin is 45. So when you will add, you will get the total number of coin is 105. Till here it's fine. They asked the total value in the bag. Total value. Very easy thing guys. Total value they asked. Okay. So total value I will write. Total value equals, see, 50 paise coin, how many coins are there? 60. 50 paise coin, how many coins are there? 50 paise coin, it is, wait, what they asked? Total value in rupees. Okay, total value they asked in rupees. So 50 paise means what? 50 divided by 100, it will convert it into rupees. So 50 paise coin is how much? 60 plus 25 paise coin. 25 paise if will convert into rupees, it is 0.25. So 25 paise coin is how much? 45. So we multiply 0.50 into 60, we'll get 30. Okay, so 50 paise coins will include all, it will be 30 rupees plus 25 paise is how much? 25 paise is 45 coins. So it will be 11.25 rupees. So when you will add, it will become 41.25. So answer is 41.25. Yeah, 41.25. Okay. This eighth number is also same. Okay, sorry, ninth number is also same. Ninth number is also same. Eighth number to easy one. In a department, number of males and females are in the ratio 3:2. Okay, so 3:2. 3x by 2x. Okay, in a department, the number of males and females are in the ratio 3:2. So 3x by 2x. If two males and five males join the department, if two males and five females join the department, then the ratio becomes 1 by 1. Okay, initially the number of females in the department, they want initially the number of females. So guys, what we will do, if we will get this type of things, we know that we have to do a cross multiplication. So it will multiply with 1. So 3x plus 2 equals 2x plus 5. So x will go one side, this 2x will go this side, so it is plus 2x. When it will go that side, it will become minus 2x. 3x minus 2x, x equals, this is a plus 2, when it will go this side, it will become minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. X value is 3. They said initially the number of female initial was how much? In a department, the number of male and female. So female was 2x. Right, the number of male was 3x and the female was 2x. So 2 into 3, 6. The number of female was 6. Now a box contain 25 paise coin, 10 paise coin and 5 paise coin in the ratio 3:2:1. Okay, so 50 paise coin, 25 paise coin is 3x, 10 paise coin is 2x and 5 paise coin is x, and the total money is 40 rupees. Okay, total money guys, how much total money is? 40 rupees. Total money is 40. So we will add. So this is total money is rupees 40. Rupees 40. So we have to calculate in the rupees. Okay. So 25 paise coin is 3x. So 25 means 25 divided by 100. How many paise? 0.25. So 0.25 means 25 paise is how much? 3x. Okay. So because they said total money is 40, total money is rupees 40, so we'll convert into rupees. So 25 paise is 3x, so 25 into 3x, right? Paise will convert into rupees. So 25 divided by 100 means 0.25 into 3x, plus 10 paise is 2x, so 10 into 2x. So 10 paise will convert into rupees, so it will be 0.1. 0.1, how many value? 2x, plus 5 paise is x. 5 paise means 5 divided by 100. 0.05 times x equals to total is how much? Total is 40. So we'll multiply 25 3 is 75. 0.75 x plus this is 0.2x plus 0.05 x equals 40. Now we will add guys. 0.75 plus 0.2 plus 0.05. So we'll get 1. 1x equals 40. So x value is what? X value is equal to 40 by 1. That is nothing but x is 40. X is 40. They asked how many 5 paise coins. How many 5 paise coins? So 5 paise coin is x. 25 paise coin is 3x. 10 paise coin is 2x. So 5 paise coin is x. So x value is what? 40. So answer is 40. Okay. Now then the last 10th one. Oh, 10th one is easy peasy. See, x is to y. They had given x is to y is 4 by 6. And z is to x. And z is to x is 4 is to 16. Find y. We have to find the value of y. Simple thing I see. X is 2. We don't care. We have to find the y. Y is how many? How many y is here? Joldi bolo rabe. Joldi. How many y? Y is 1 because x, z, x, y is 1. So we know numerator equals numerator, denominator equals denominator. So y is what? Y is 6. Why we have taken y equals 6? Why we have not did here the continued ratio? The reason behind is here the y is just 1. Continued ratio means like this, x is to y, then y is to z, then only we can continue, z is to x. So all like this, so that's why, like, see, if x is to y, y is to z, it is a continued, then only we will continue then only we will apply the continued ratio. But here it is not a continue, guys. X is to y, z is to x. We don't have the y, means next y we don't have. We have only one y. So that's why it's only one value is 6. The answer is 6. Okay. Okay, so answer is 6. Yeah. So this is for the today's, guys. As I have said you, like daily 10 questions I will be uploading. So keep on doing, and if you're finding it easy and all, the just like it. Okay, and that's fine, guys. We'll meet in the next video. So till that, bye bye, take care.